Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Notion to manage your car maintenance records. This is the full 2025 guide, so you'll be up to speed with the latest features and best practices. First things first, create a new page in Notion and name it Car Maintenance Records. This is your starting point, and it'll help keep your records neatly organized. Now that we've done that, let's create a table. Click on the Plus New button and select Table. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The table will serve as a database to store all the important details about your car maintenance history. Next up, let's customize our table. Add columns for date, maintenance type, cost, mechanic, and any other details you find necessary. This helps us because it allows us to easily track and sort our car's maintenance history at a glance. Once your table is set, you're ready to start adding entries. Click on the Plus New button in your table and fill in the details. The reason we do this is to keep a running record of all maintenance activities, making it easier to track costs and anticipate future servicing needs. Now, for an added layer of organization, let's create tags for different maintenance types like oil change, tire rotation, or brake check. To do this, simply click on the drop-down arrow next to the Maintenance Type column and select Property Type. Then Select. Now, every time you add a new entry, you can categorize it with one of your tags. This is beneficial because it will help you quickly filter and analyze your maintenance activities. Finally, make sure you set a reminder for your next service. Click on the Date column, select Remind, and set the date and time for your next service. This is crucial because it ensures you never miss a service appointment, saving you from potential car issues down the line. So there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a comprehensive, easy-to-manage system for tracking your car maintenance records in Notion. It's a game changer for car owners, and we hope it'll help make your life a bit easier. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.